Dear friends, a fresh Monday morning to you all. Continuing with my last session, let me share with you the third suggestion if you want to import BOPP film from China. As I already shared, there are around 30 factories for BOPP film in Zhejiang and Jiangsu province, and each factory is strong in different types of BOPP films. If you want to import BOPP film for bag making or flower wrapping, then you have a really wide choice because every factory can make this film. Then it is really cost sensitive. Comparing prices from several factories, I find that those who only make glossy film is more competitive because they are more focused. With large volume of same product, they can minimize the costs. If you are looking for heat sealing film, then your choices are narrowed down, but still there are factories who are very focused on heat sealing and their capacity per line can reach 100 tons a day. If you are looking for metalized film, actually there are a lot of factories who can do metalizing, and their investment is comparatively lower than original film factory who makes metalized base film. As you know, each BOPP film line with Bruckner machinery costs at least $15 million, but the metalizing machinery is relatively small and less investment involved. But for those metalizing factories who need to outsource base film, their price is still higher than who can make metalized base film and do metalizing themselves. If you are looking for functional BOPP film, for example, anti-fog film, label film, cigarette film, then your list is shortened to only like 3 to 5 factories, and those who can make these films, they actively attend exhibitions such as China Plus because they have a lot of functional products to show. So actually my third suggestion to you is if you are packaging companies looking for several types of BOPP film, please don't hesitate to contact me. I have already compared the prices of different types of films and visited the factories and can match you well to the factory and provide you the most competitive price for each product. Follow me and stay tuned. Bye for now.